Good morning, friends. Welcome to ABC Real by BHANU channel. Today I am Anshu Kawar of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 2, the bones and muscles of EVS class 5th with all of you. This is beneficial for Army Public School students. In this video, we will discuss first, fill in the blanks of this lesson, second, one word answer of this lesson, and third, question and answer of this lesson. The question and answer are divided into two parts, short question answers and give examples or difference. First, we will discuss short question answers and then give examples or difference. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूवर है जो पहली बार हमारे चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। First, we will discuss fill in the blanks of this lesson. Question number 1. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong tissues known as. Our muscles are connected with the bones by strong tissues. What are the strong tissues called? Answer of this question is tendons. These strong tissues are known as tendons. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong tissues known as tendons. Question number 2. An adult has dash vertebra. Answer of this question is 26. An adult human being has 26 vertebrae. Question number 3. How many pairs of floating of ribs are in the body of human? Answer of this question is 2. There are 2 pairs of floating ribs in the human body. Question number 4. Muscles can only dash bones. Answer of this question is pull. Muscles can pull bones, they cannot push the bones. Next, question number 5th and last question of fill in the blanks of this chapter. Hinge joints are present in dash. Answer of this question is elbows. Hinge joints are present in elbows. Second, we will discuss give one word answer of this lesson. Question number 1. The longest bone in our body is. Answer of this question is femur. Please comment where is the bone femur found. The longest bone in our body is femur. Where is it found? Please comment in the comment box. Question number 2. The joint present in the neck is. Answer of this question is pivot joint. The joint present in our neck is called pivot joint. Question number 3. The muscles are not in our control are called. Some muscles are like which are in our control and which are not in our control. So it is asking that what are the muscles called which are not in our control. Answer of this question is involuntary muscles. There is a different kind of muscles known as voluntary muscles. The muscles are in our control are called voluntary muscles. The muscles in the heart are known as cardiac muscles. There are 3 types of muscles: involuntary, voluntary and cardiac. Move on next question. Question number 4. What protect spinal cord? Answer of this question is spine. Spinal cord is protected by spine, or you can say spine or backbone, which is present in our back. Next question, question number 5. Strong tissues that help in bone together at the joint are called. Answer of this question is ligaments. Strong tissues that help in bone together at the joint are called ligaments. Please tell where is ligaments present in our body. In the comment box, write your answer. Question number 6. The framework of bones is called. Answer of this question is skeletal system. The framework of bones is known as skeletal system. Next, question number 7. What means heart? What is the meaning of heart? Answer of this question is cardio. Its spelling is C-A-R-D-I-O, cardio. Next question. Bone in upper arm are called. What are the bone known as which are present in our upper arm? Answer of this question is humerus bones. Which bones? Humerus. Please comment what are the bones known as in our lower arm. Question number 9. The bone structure of head is called. Answer of this question is skull. In the skull, there is only one joint which can move is our lower jaw, and the whole skull is a fixed joint. Let us move on. Next and last question of one word answer is a place where two or more bones join together is known as a joint. Joint is a place where two or more bones join together. Third, we will discuss short question answers. Let us see question number 1. What are the functions of skeletal system? Do you know what are the functions of skeletal system? Let us see the answer. Answer of the question is skeletal system gives shape, support and protects our internal organs. Question number 2. What are joints? Answer of this question is joint is a place where two or more bones meet. Question number 3. Why do we need muscles? Answer of this question is we need muscles, all short movements in our body. Question number 4. What are floating ribs? What do you mean by floating ribs? What is the meaning of floating ribs? Please write your answer in the comment box. Let us see what is the answer. Answer of this question is ribs which don't attach to chest bones in the front are called floating ribs. Ribs which cannot connect, attach, touch to chest bone in the front are known as floating ribs. Fourth, we will discuss give example or difference of this chapter. Question number 1. Hinge joint and ball and socket joint. Hinge joint. There are 2 points of each joint. Do you know how many joints are there? Please write in the chat box, in the comment box. and write their names also. Hinge joint. Joints allow movement only in one direction. Hinge joint is the joint which allow movement in only one direction. Example: elbow, knees, finger. Ball and socket joints allow movement in all direction. Ball and socket joint are the joint which allow movement in all the direction, which can move in all direction. Example: hip and shoulders. Our shoulders can move completely. Next question: ligaments and tendons. Do you know what are ligaments and tendons? Please write in the chat box. Ligaments. A band of strong material in your body similar to muscle that joins bones or holds an organ in its place is known as ligament. Tendons. Tissue connects bone to muscles. Tendons are the tissue which connect bones to muscles. Last question is question number 3. It is voluntary and involuntary muscles. I have told you that voluntary muscles are the muscles which are in our control and involuntary muscles are the muscles which we cannot control. Let us see what is the answer here. These control movement of body, they are under our control. Voluntary muscles are under our control. Let us see involuntary. These are used for functioning of internal organs. They are not our control. ये हमारे बस में नहीं होती और जो वॉलेंट्री होती है वो हमारे कंट्रोल में होती है. Voluntary example: legs, arms, eyes. Involuntary example: stomach and lungs. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For latest update, press bell icon. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट की सीरीज चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. हम उसकी वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे. थैंक यू.